Let me say something most people won't tell you. Society doesn't raise men to be strong. It raises men to be just an average guy. Be nice. Be quiet. Don't stand out. Don't offend. Don't dominate. Follow the rules and you'll be safe. But look around. The world has never been changed by men who followed instructions. It's been shaped by men who thought for themselves, even when they were called wrong, dangerous, or arrogant. In this video, I'm going to explain what being a bad boy actually means, why dominant men run the world, why this personality naturally attracts women, and how to build your own mindset instead of dying average. Society trains you to be submissive. From a young age, we're taught to obey, sit straight, listen quietly, don't question authority, fit in. And if you don't, you're labeled difficult, arrogant, problematic. But here's the truth most people never realize. Society needs followers to function. If everyone thought independently, questioned rules, and challenged norms, the system would collapse. So the system rewards obedience, not greatness. That's why average is praised, and dominance is discouraged. Dominant men have always run the world. Look at history. Look at the present. Look at where the future is heading. The men who lead are not the most polite. They're not the most agreeable. They're decisive, certain, grounded. They don't wait for permission to act. They don't crowdsource their beliefs. They observe, they think, then they move. The world doesn't follow the man who asks for approval. It follows the man who knows where he's going. What bad boy really means. Let's be clear. A bad boy is not reckless. He's not disrespectful. He's not insecure and loud. A real bad boy is self-directed. He lives by his own standards. He says no without guilt. He doesn't explain himself to everyone. He's calm. He's controlled. He's dominant, not aggressive. Dominance is not about overpowering others. It's about being unshakable in who you are. Why this energy attracts women naturally. Here's something people lie about all the time. Women are not attracted to men who submit to the world. They're attracted to men who stand firm within it. A man who leads himself feels safe. A man who's certain feels grounded. A man who doesn't chase validation feels rare. When you're dominant in your own life, your body language changes, your voice slows, your presence fills the room, and attraction follows without effort. The feeling you get when you're dominant, you already know this feeling. Let me give you an example. Suppose you are very good at playing chess in your class. So whenever you hear chess, you get a feeling which says, "Oh, I have done this before." And your inner self says it better than other people in this field. That's exactly what feeling of dominance is. You're not competing. You're not seeking attention. You're just solid. That's confidence. And confidence doesn't come from approval. It comes from inner authority. Why listening to everyone keeps you average? Here's a hard truth. If you live by everyone's opinions, you'll die with no identity. The people who tell you to just be good, don't take risks, stay realistic are often people who never left average themselves, not because they're evil, but because average feels safe to them. And they want you safe too. But safety doesn't create greatness. It creates comfort and regret. Build a mind of your own. This is crucial. Before you follow any advice, including mine, do this. Ask yourself, is this making me stronger or smaller? Think for yourself. Question rules, observe outcomes. Some rules protect you, some rules control you. A dominant man doesn't reject everything blindly. He filters everything intelligently. That's power. It's how to start becoming this man. Start small, but start daily. Stop over-explaining yourself. Slow down your speech. Say no without guilt. Build your body. Build one skill seriously. Reduce distractions. Keep promises to yourself. Dominance is built in silence, not announcements. You don't need to tell people you've changed. They'll feel it.